Hey beautiful people, here's a quick basmati rice recipe. So I start off with my onions, and then I added my ground turkey that I had seasoned very well. And then I added tomato paste. And then I allowed all that to come together. And when it was time to add my liquid, I never used water. I used homemade vegetable broth that I made. You can use any broth you want or stock. And once that came to a simmer, I added my washed rice. You can use any rice that you want. You can use any meat that you want. Bacon, sausage, chicken, it doesn't matter. Using the right soap matters. Get you some oils and bar soaps today. Or just leave it as rice and vegetables if you want. If you make rice dishes like this, leave a comment down below and let me know. I might try it. And I added some lime and it was bomb.